Okay, so I've got another review of my fidgets. This part is my fidget toys. I mean, not my fidget toys, my fidget spinners. So, as you probably all know, these were quite popular quite a few years ago. So, yeah. This is Captain America's shield. It's a bit broken, so it doesn't spin very well. There's this one, which I quite like. It feels really good in my hand, and it looks really nice while it's spinning. Then there's also this one. It's quite heavy. It's not the best at spinning. It's a bit uneven. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this one, but it's alright. There's this Batman one. I've lost the things that you put your fingers on here, but it still spins. I've got this red one as well. I do quite like this one because it feels good while it's spinning in your hand. And I've also got this one. It's a blue one. It's a shiny blue one. And this gold one, it's almost exactly like the blue one, except it makes a better sound. And then these two are glow in the dark. I like the green one more. The only reason is because I like green more than yellow. Then I've got this light up one. So yeah, that's pretty cool.